Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Echo Dot. It's a 4th generation device here. Yeah, it's a smart speaker with Alexa on board. And it comes in a charcoal outfit. It's also available in different other colors on the market, of course. The Echo Dot from the 4th generation connects to Alexa. This is a cloud-based voice service to play music, set timers and alerts, control compatible smart home devices, and more and more and more. The voice control our entertainment, stream songs from Spotify, pair with another Echo Dot for stereo sound, or we stream music from other popular audio services via Bluetooth with our smartphone or tablet. It requires a Bluetooth connection from a compatible device. Voice control is maybe not supported. And it's ready to help all day long. We ask Alexa to play music, answer questions, play the news, check the weather, set the alert, and more. We control our smart home. We use our voice to turn on the lights and plugs with compatible devices. And there are a lot of devices on the market. It's designed to protect our privacy too. The build with multiple layers of privacy protection and control, including a microphone off button that disables the microphones if we need that. And listen to the news and ask Alexa what's in the news, and she will provide access to local and international news. And feature availability. Some Alexa features may not be supported in our country, but the most of it will have your skill. And Alexa is happy to help us. We make our life easier at home. We set the timers, ask questions, and add items to our to-do list and create reminders. We check the weather or listen to the news. Skills are like apps and add ever more capabilities to our Alexa devices. This allowing us to listen to news, control compatible smart home devices, and more. Skills are available via the Alexa Skill Store, but availability and compatibility vary depending on the choice of the language. And we have voice control all over our home. We manage compatible smart home devices using our voice. So we switch on the lamp before getting out of the bed, or we dim the light from the sofa to watch a film. And we stay connected and in synchronization. Instantly drop in on other rooms in our home or make an announcement to every room that has a compatible Echo device. We let everyone know it's dinner time, or remind the children that's bedtime. We can also stay in touch with friends and family with hands-free calling. We supported the Echo devices or the Alexa app. And the Alexa and the Echo devices are built with multiple layers of privacy protection. The Echo smart speakers have a microphone off button that disables the microphones. We also have control over our voice recording, and we can view, hear, or delete them at any time. And it's really easy. We plug in the Echo Dot. Then we connect the internet with the Alexa app. It's really easy, as you can see. And then we ask Alexa for music, weather, news, and more. And if we make these first steps, Alexa will help us a lot of it. And then we are able to use it. Every time we say Alexa, she will go in hearing mode. And then we can communicate with Alexa with the Echo Dot. It's easy, it's reliable, and it looks really cool. This is like Star Trek from the 70s in your home now. This is the Echo Dot from the 4th generation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.